Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Belly button cake, or duchi bing in Chinese, is so called because it looks like a belly button. Today, a famous Hakka treat, this cake comes from the Japanese colonial period when many Japanese missed their hometown sweets. The Japanese worked together with the bakers in Miaoli and came up with the green bean and yam belly button cake that's still popular today.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're going to focus more on food, but in particular snacks. 这个月呢，希望 Leo 老师呢可以来教我们有关于客家的点心，不是主菜哦，我们要讲点心类好了，好不好？
好啊，
对，
好啊，
我们
可以啊。
有的时候肚子小饿的时候就想吃一点点心。到底客家有什么样的点心呢？
好，我先来介绍一个可以做电炉的东西。
点炉要电谁啊？点炉
不是啊，就电炉就是客家话的礼物的意思。
Oh, as a gift. Okay, so you can actually, buy these snacks and give it as a gift. 然后可以送给人家。
是的，是的。
Okay, that's a good idea. 像有什么呢？
好，我们先来介绍这肚脐饼。
肚脐饼。
肚脐
肚脐病病
身体上的一个部分，
就是肚脐咯。
就是肚脐，对对对。
啊，有这样子肚脐病哦。病是现在好像。饼啊，
就是饼啊。
Okay, it's the belly button cake. 也是因为长得像肚脐吗？还是大小就像肚脐那么小？
其实你说形状像肚脐，大家很难想象，它就是客家话叫做六條椪。
六條椪
它是一个正式的名词。
OK，
对，就是我们客家的东西讲的比较多的就是六條椪，但是这几年呢，大家都会讲说是肚脐餅。
So there's a lot of names for this particular cake. Originally, it was called the belly button cake, and then there's also another name afterwards. 是因为它叫什么绿豆饼吗？
六條椪。
六條椪。OK， 我听起来像是绿豆的意思吧？
对，其实它的主要的原料就是绿豆、六條味
OK
跟地瓜、番薯。
Oh, okay. Also known as the green bean cake because it is made of green bean and also a combination of that and yam as well. 所以是绿豆跟地瓜一起做成饼。Okay. So let's go ahead and review these terms. 肚脐饼. Okay, that's the belly button cake.
肚脐餅。
肚脐餅. Or more formally, it's the green bean cake. 綠豆。
六條椪。
六條椪. And it's made of 六條 and 地瓜。
番薯
that's yam. So try this next time and you can give it as a gift like Leo said. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.